conducted by the First Officer Giacomo Tonini. Together with me, Joanna and Federica in the front and Louise and Dexter in the back. We are delighted to be taking very good care of you on board this flight today, but for now we ask you for a few seconds of full and complete attention while the conductor demonstrates some of the safety features on board this 17678 of the series aircraft.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the footpath markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your head. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing. Fit your own mask first before helping anyone else. The life jackets are stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. If it's needed, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure as shown. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Before takeoff, please study the safety card located within the area you are seated, as it includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type. It is essential that cabin signs and instructions given by the crew are followed. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. Your hand baggage must be securely stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you, and it must not block any aisle or exit. Now please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table folded, armrests down, and window blinds open. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Portable electronic devices, such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode, may be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now and hold your device securely or place it in a pocket. If your device or its battery is damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost, or falls into the seat structure, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, on board this type of aircraft, you will find 8 emergency exits, and your life jackets are in the panel above your head unless you've been instructed otherwise by a member of the cabin crew. If you are wearing a face mask or cover, we also remind you that in the likely event of loss of cabin pressure, you must remove your mask before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Thank you.
Prosimy o nieużywanie słuchawek i uważne wysłuchanie instrukcji dotyczących zasad bezpieczeństwa na pokładzie. Zasady te mogą się różnić od tych obowiązujących w samolocie, który niesie w przeszłości. Wyjścia ewakuacyjne znajdują się po obu stronach samolotu, przedniej, środkowej oraz tylnej części kabiny i oznaczone są czerwonym znakiem EXIT. Na ścieżce wzdłuż głównego przejścia umieszczone są oznaczenia, które poprowadzą do najbliższego wyjścia w sytuacji awaryjnej. Wszystkie wyjścia ewakuacyjne przedstawione są również na karcie z instrukcją bezpieczeństwa. Najbliższe wyjście może znajdować się za pasktem. W przypadku ewakuacji należy zostawić bagaż podręczny w samolocie. Pas zapina się poprzez połączenie obu jego końców za pomocą klamki. Prosimy zacisnąć pas pociągający jego górny koniec. Aby odciąć pas, należy umieść zewnętrzną klatę klamy. Ze względu bezpieczeństwa zalecamy zapięcie pasów na czas całego lotu. W przypadku nowego spadku ciśnienia w kabinie maski tlenowe wypadną automatycznie
also a reading light and a pressure vent in the panel above your head. As we toys on board and at the forward to the rear of the cabin, we remind that this is a non-smoking flight and that all pilots are seated with smoke alarms. Very shortly, the cabin crew should be passed into the cabin with our getaway concept. All of our famous scratch cards and a gift service, so now we recommend so that you sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight with us. And ladies and gentlemen, we also remind that it is recommended that you use a face mask during the flight. Please remove your mask when required to do so by the cabin crew. Exception is given to children 12 years of age. Thank you for your understanding cooperation and enjoy your flight with us.